I almost did not record this perm rod set tutorial on my 4C hair because the installation was not going as planned. Watch till the end to see my hair transformation. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I install a perm rod set on freshly washed and blown out healthy hair to achieve defined bouncy summer coils on my 4C hair. If you've struggled with getting long-lasting definition, this step-by-step guide covers everything you need to know about my prep and styling process. I used two hair products to achieve this hairstyle: a leave-in conditioner when blow drying my hair and a mousse as my styler. I also use three sizes of the perm rods to style my hair, so a big, a medium, and a small. The biggest for the middle part of my head with the highest density of hair, the medium size for the back and the front, and the smallest size for the sides and the front. For maximum definition, the smaller the perm rod, the tighter the curls. For this hairstyle, I did not pat so much hair so that it's not too big for the perm rod. So I'm going to be using the pattern mousse, and I'm going to be using about 2 to 3 pumps of the mousse for every rod set. I worked the product into my hair, and then I finally went in with my tangle teaser brush to make sure that the hair is properly detangled. This step just ensures that when I'm taking out the rods and using my fingers to separate the curls, it comes out smoothly and very defined. One tip for achieving 4C hair curls that last all week long is ensuring the ends of the hair is smooth and rolled properly. I'll be showing you what I mean by that. This is the perfect summer hairstyle for either short or long 4C hair. I rolled 2 to 3 inches of the hair on the part of the perm rod that has the cap. I then cover the ends by rolling another 2 to 3 times so the ends are secure. There has to be tension between the perm rod and the hair so the curls are not loose. Then I twist my wrist, and I'm using my hands to guide the hair while I'm twisting my wrist until I get to the root of the hair, and then I close the cap. Now I'm ensuring that the tension still remains there, but once I'm getting to the roots, I try to loosen my grip a little bit so the perm rod is not too tight, because I'm going to be sleeping in them overnight. I'm going to be sharing the process one more time because we learn something better when we see it twice. So detangle my hair first before I apply the pattern mousse, and then work the mousse into my hair so that it penetrates my strands. And I only used 2 to 3 pumps depending on how thick the hair was. For this particular section, I think I used too much mousse. And once I was done working the mousse, I used my tangle teaser again to detangle the hair. Oh, I didn't. I did. And then I used a medium-sized perm rod for this part of my hair because the curl pattern on this part of my hair is kind of loose. So grab the hair, make sure that there's tension, and then we're rolling the hair on the side of the perm rod that has the cap, so that when we're taking down the perm rod, or when we're taking down the perm rod, it's easier. So start rolling the tip of the hair like 2 to 3 inches, roll it tight with that tension, then roll the hair over the part where I rolled the tip, and then twisting my wrist inwards while guiding my hair on the perm rod. And then once I get to the roots of my hair, I loosen my grip a little bit, and then I close the cap over their hair, or so that it doesn't fall in an irregular way. I almost did not record this video because the first half of my hair, the rollers gave me so much stress. This is the second time I'm ever doing a perm rod set on my hair, and it felt like I had forgotten the process. By the time I got to the second part of my hair and I had a hang over it, I was like, I have to share this for anybody who needs a tutorial on how to do a perm rod set. So give this video a like, a share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I slept in the rods overnight. I had also air dried my hair during the day before going to bed. Moment of truth. I could not contain the joy when I removed the first perm rod and all of my hair was dry, and seeing my curly hair was worth every stress. I'm gonna be taking down all the perm rods from my hair and show you the results, and also share how I called my sister to yap about the results. I have long 4C hair, and your coily hair results might differ from mine based on the length of your hair. So I'll allow you guys to enjoy the video, and yeah. I had not even separated the curls yet, but look at how shiny they are. Once I was done taking out the perm rods, I used the pattern hair serum for my scalp because I didn't use any oils on my scalp or on my hair at all. Once I was done applying the hair serum, I used the Carol's Daughter oil and just rubbed it all over my hair. Then I used it on the tip of my fingers so that I could easily separate the curls. Now you want to separate the curls and then roll it in the same way the perm rod went in so that the curls stay intact. And I think there was a point of the hair where I started separating, but I didn't have my ends tucked in properly. But guys, look at the definition on the curls. It came out beautiful, amazing. And I feel like the second part of my hair where I started understanding how to roll my hair, the curls came out better. But just let me know in the comments if the curls on the right side are better than the curls on the left side. But look at how springy this ones look, like the cord of a telephone. Beautiful. Do let me know in the comment section if you have a perfect combo for a perm rod set, or just a natural hairstyle or just products that you can swear by that would be nice for a perm rod set. But this is the final result.
Yeah. I was like, if it turns out fine, I will not, I will record it. If it doesn't turn out fine, I won't even bother. The crazy part is I didn't even like I just recorded a little portion of me rolling it. I had already rolled almost all of the hair because the thing was not rolling the way I wanted it to roll. Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
Jesus. Wow. Yeah, my
I loved the results. I used a bobby pin to change it to a side part. Perm rod sets are versatile, and summer is the best time to rock natural hairstyles. And this style shows my 4C hair is healthy and my curls are juicy and bouncy. I did not mind the frizz, to be honest, thanks to my high porosity hair. Now, another thing I would say is that if you need more hold, you can use a holding spray. My leave-in is an anti-humidity leave-in, so I was good. I went out and I'll be showing you what my hair looked like at the end of the day, but just to add more volume to my hair, I picked the roots of my hair with a white tooth comb. If you made it this far to the video, you're the best. Please like, share and subscribe. And I also have a video on my channel sharing the habits that I stopped that has helped my 4C hair to grow. If you're interested, that'll be played after this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.